Anna Z, holistic health coach and raw food chef. And today I'm here to share with you my Z tips for making carrot, raisin, and walnut salad. The Z tip number one is to use already cut and peeled carrots. Then we will need some walnuts, about a half a cup, a half a tablespoon of cinnamon. It's optional and I'll talk about it in a little bit. We'll need about a half a cup of raisins and one juiced orange. So first thing we're going to do is we need to shred these carrots. And I'm going to use this food processor to do all the work for me. Once all the carrots are shredded, it takes about 20 seconds. We're going to transfer them into our bowl. And then these little bits and pieces, I like to eat them. Actually, my dog loves carrots. It's one of his favorite treats. So we share. We're gonna take these carrots and put it into a bowl. And carrots are really high in fiber, high in potassium, and high in vitamin A. So it's really a great food to incorporate into your daily meals. Then we will add the walnuts. They have a lot of omega-3s, which are anti-inflammatory agents. And raisins, also high in potassium. So we'll add some of that. And again, make it your own. You can use less carrots or more raisins. It's whatever you'd like. And for our dressing, we will put the juiced orange right in here. And then I also have some ginger. Now, ginger is optional as well, but I love ginger in the salad. And I use a garlic press, actually. It's my little Z tip for getting the juice out of the ginger. And just use it like this, squeeze it out, and you can scrape it if you want a little bit of chunks. You can put some cinnamon in here as well, if you like. Cinnamon will actually level your blood sugar throughout the day. So I'm going to add just a tiny, tiny bit to give it a little bit more of a kick. Enjoy it. And remember, to look and feel fabulously naturally, make sure you eat natural and fabulous food. Until later.